If you're new here, my name is Kemi of Cypherzo, and on this platform we'll share job opportunities, remote jobs, businesses, income ideas, financial ideas that can help you upskill your financial life as a mom, as a lady, as a stay-at-home mom, as a student. So if this looks like what you love, please do what to like this video, subscribe and share. Now let's get straight into the video of the day. Number one is the easiest, so you have to stick with me. I would love you to stick with me to the end of this video so that you get the easiest and the most convenient one, which is number one. So let's get straight into it. Number 10 is AI data annotation. Now, companies need people to actually help them test run, help them label images, text, so that AIs that they are creating now will actually understand how human brain actually functions. So there are websites where you can actually help them label images, click on the text, tell the AI that this is how human logic this is how people actually think. Now we have websites like data annotation, we have OneFormer, we have Apple, Tell Us Digital AI. Now these are 4 platforms that I know that they accept people from Africa. So if you know that you want to start AI data annotation, you can actually go on this website and check what they do or what they want you to do for them. I repeat, we have data annotation, we have OneFormer, we have Apple, we have Tell Us Digital AI. Number 9 is AI response evaluator. Now what you do as an AI response evaluator is that you will compare digital analysis, you will compare digital answers, AI answers, and respond, and then choose which AI answers are actually helpful for the human brain. Now we have websites like Outlier AI, Telox Digital AI, we have Wello Data or Wellocalize, one of those two. So you can go on this platform and sign up and check what they do and see if it's something that that you like, and then you apply to those websites. Number 8, we have AI content writer. Now as an AI content writer, you will use AI to help them draft blog posts. You will use the same AI to write website blogs. You use the same AI to write articles. Now you can go on website like Contra. Go on website like Contra. Contra will actually give you jobs even if you are from Africa. Contra, we have jobs on Fiverr, we have jobs as an AI writer on Upwork. So you can go on those websites and sign up. 7 is AI virtual assistant. Now what you do is, as an AI virtual assistant, in fact as a normal virtual assistant, you help them reschedule appointments, you help them write website reports, you help them write their AI write-up, their emails as a normal virtual assistant. Now if you now want to be an AI virtual assistant, you have to use a lot of AI tools to complete your tasks as an AI virtual assistant. I don't know if you understand. As an AI virtual assistant, you will use AI to complete virtual assistant jobs. You understand? Website that you can get AI virtual assistant jobs. We have Belay, we have Belay, and we have Time ETC. Time ETC or Time Echo. Then we have Upwork. Upwork, you can sign up as an AI virtual assistant. Number 6 on our list is AI graphic designer. Now AI graphic designer, you will create logo, you create thumbnails, you create flyers using AI tools. You will create all these things using AI tools. You can go on 99 Designs, you can go on Fiverr, you can go on Upwork. If you guys notice, you see that some of these websites I'm bringing in, they are new websites. For instance, 99 Design is actually a new website that graphic designers actually get a lot of jobs from. So if this looks like an interesting video and you like it, please do what to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Number 5 is AI video editor. Now you will use AI to produce YouTube shorts, TikTok shorts, and promotional shorts for companies. Now believe you me, we have companies like DSTV, we have companies like MTN that are actually using AI to create shorts that they're actually promoting on different platforms. So if this looks like something you like to try, maybe you're a video editor and you want to look into it, you can go on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Contra. Yes, Contra as well. 4 is AI voiceover creator. Now as an AI voiceover creator, you use AI to create voiceover for YouTube videos, online courses. Now you select close to realistic AI voiceovers, you understand, to create all these content, and you can use websites like voices.com. Voices.com is even good. Voices.com, Upwork, and Fiverr to create AI voiceovers. 3 is AI research assistant. See, and when I tell you that AI can do a lot, believe me, AI can do a lot. Now our number 3 is AI research assistant. Now AI research assistant, to create effective research, use AI to summarize reports, use AI to organize your data. Hey, when I tell you that AI research assistant is the deal, forget it, it is. Now we have website like Outlier AI that you can sign up on and use. We have Freelancer, we have Upwork, we have Freelancer, we have Upwork, we have Outlier AI. These are websites that will accept you if you want to try out AI research assistant. Number 2 is AI prompt writer. Now some people think that you can just go on AI and type any rubbish and AI will give you exactly what you want. It is not like that. In fact, Google has a course on AI prompts. If you browse Google now, you will ask them for their free course on AI prompting. This is a big time job. For Google to create a course on that, you should know that it is a very lucrative job. So now you can become an AI prompt writer. Now you create effective prompts that actually help AI to actually give better results for businesses or for content creators. You understand? You can go on Google and take their free AI prompt course, after which you now start working as an AI prompt writer. You understand? Now when you work as an AI prompt writer, it means that when you want to create an image of a lady that is drinking water, you can always type of a lady that is drinking water with a ceramic cup, and she is well dressed. As an AI prompt writer, you can create a prompt that will give you that exact image, not a prompt that will say that the lady is holding a plastic cup. No. Also, you can actually also work as an AI prompt writer if you take the course and give AI prompts that will tell amazing stories. Amazing stories for AI story writers. It depends on how you prompt your AI that you get a significant, important story from that is not saturated or overwritten. So, number one is to become an AI tutor. Now, an AI tutor, you teach beginners how to use AI, how to prompt AI, how to use AI tools to work, how to use AI tools to actually make research, how to use AI tools to actually write reports. Yes, so as an AI tutor, you can apply on websites like Preply. You can apply on websites like Preply, Amazing Talker, Super Prof. You can apply on all these websites as an AI tutor. These are websites that actually accept Africans. They accept Nigeria, in fact. So you can teach their students how to prompt AI well, how to use AI well. Now, after your course on Google, you can tell Google to actually give you a certificate. Yes, to make you certified after you taking their course. So you just use that as your certification. With that being said, guys, if you're still watching to this level, please do what to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know which of the AI opportunities you're going in for. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.